Accoxi provides a function of loyalty management with point program type, and card scheme is included in it. To access the form of card scheme, click on the inventory menu, select the option loyalty and click on the card scheme option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to loyalty card scheme search page. In loyalty card scheme, user can create various types of offers as card schemes for loyalty management and can include scheme for each card separately on the basis of date wise, product wise and sales value. Now let's take a look at which all options are available in the loyalty card scheme page. The details of already created card schemes are given here. Details we can see here like document number, card name, from date, to date. Here the from date indicates with starting date of the scheme and the to date indicates with the end date of the scheme. On the right side of the data table, we have a view icon is available. This view icon enables the user to access the complete details of loyalty card scheme. Next to the view icon is an edit option. This pencil icon indicates with edit option and user can edit or make a change after created the scheme. Next, on the top left side of the page, we have a filter option is available. With this filter option, user can filter or customize the loyalty card scheme data. While we clicking on the filter option, the filter tab will be opened and here user can filter the data by selecting a loyalty card name. By clicking on the select option, the list of created card will be appear and user can select the required one. Next option is for filter is by date option. If the user is clicking on the by date option, user need to enter the starting date along with the end date to access the data. After enter the details, click on the apply option to access the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can enter a card name and can access a particular type of data. Next, on the top right side of the page, we have add new card scheme option here. With this option, user can create a new card scheme. While we clicking on the option, it opens to a new card scheme form. Next to the add new option is export option. With this export option, user can export the complete loyalty card scheme data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new card scheme. For that, click on the add new card scheme option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new loyalty card scheme form and here user need to enter the following details to create a card scheme. The first one is the document number. It is the document number of the card scheme that automatically appear on the field and user cannot edit or change the number. It will be the continuation of the previous one. Next is the card name option. Here user need to select the required card name. By clicking on the select option, the list of created card list will be available and user can select the required one. After select the card name, the next is the from date option. From date is the date when the scheme started and here user need to select the from date of the card scheme. After select the from date, the next is the to date option. It is the end date of the particular card scheme and user can select the to date by clicking on the select option here. Before select the end date, user need to mark the option here. Otherwise user can save it as an endless scheme. Next is the active option. User can save the scheme as active or inactive. If the user click or mark the option active, then the scheme will save as active scheme. Otherwise, user can save it as an inactive by unmarking the option. Next, on the left side, here we have a product or category option. It is the option to create card scheme for a particular product or category. User need to mark the option to create product or category scheme. After mark the option, the product selection grid will be opened here and user can select the product or category list here. Next is the product grid. With this grid, user can add product, category or items to create the card scheme. First one is the from date option. Here user can select the from date to create the card scheme for a particular product or category. And here we have a to date option also. By clicking on the to date option, user can select the required date to set the end date of the card scheme. The next is the product or category option. Here user can select the product or category name. After select the product or category, next is the items. Here user can enter the item name. While entering the item name, the list of created products will be appear and user can select the required one. Next is the sale value field. Here user can enter the sale value of the card scheme. After enter the sale value, the next is the earning point. In this field, user can enter the earning point as per the sale value. Similarly, user can add multiple products or category with this scheme. And we have a delete icon on this grid to delete unwanted or unnecessary selected items. Next, if the user unmarks the option product or category, then user can create a card scheme that without a product or category list. When we unmark the option, the product or category and the item field will be blocked, and here user can enter the sale value and the earning point of the sale value. Next is the available at option. In the case of branch concept, HO name and list of branches under the HO will appear on this side, and user can select them by marking on the field to save the availability of the card scheme. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new loyalty card scheme. Here we have clear option to clear or cancel this form without saving, and also have an exit option to exit from this page. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to loyalty card scheme search page, and the saved details will be available here. On the basis of created card scheme, while generating the sales invoice, the points will be automatically credited to the card and user can redeem the card while creating the sales invoice. So these are the details included under loyalty card scheme page. Thank you.